This is my new car. It's a 2017 Chevy Equinox. We put rain guards on it today, and I'm gonna blow dry them.
Why are you gonna blow dry it?
To make it hot, to make it stickier, to make it set.
Okay, so you're trying to activate the adhesive better. What else did you do to it?
We put wheels on it today. They're 17s, but they're the same tires but new wheels. And we put window tint all the way around. And we got these really fancy floorboard things, like generic WeatherTechs, that are really nice. Show them the back ones. The one in the back are pretty cool for our dog. So that way she can ride in here and not make a big mess. And that's it so far.
You don't have anything else?
We've got running rails or side rails in that box, but they're not on there yet.
Let's look at them.
These are the new running rails. I'm going to open up and look at. They're all wrapped.
Damn, I hate when they package it well.
We can't see. I don't know if it's going to be shiny or not. Did I have to cut it? Oh, I don't need to. These look cool. We got like friction in them. That's cool. That's not as shiny, but the second part is like a matte black. This will look good.
Alright.
These are the original Chevy 1750 model Equinox. I'm going to try and use floss to take Chevy Equinox line off the Chevy. Oh, it looks pretty good. It's easier than I thought it would be.
Why don't you want the Equinox logo on here?
I think it'll look cooler if people don't know what it is.
If they don't know that you're in a poverty wagon?
Yeah, and if people don't know I'm in an old people thing, that way like old women can't be like, yeah, go sell your cool. Oh dang, it's letter by letter?
Yep.
So we're about to make it Equino.
Equino.
Equino. Oh shoot. Wow, it's hurting my fingers. Oh, so close. Ta-da!
Did it work?
What? Oh.
No one will ever know it was an Equinox.
Do you use alcohol battery?
Yeah, it is now.
Why? Why do you want to take it off?
Alright. That's it. The wheels, the tint, and just those little rain guards. And then the mat you put on the inside. We'll do the side rails next and see how hard that is. See ya!